And no, as I say, caption meeting, high stakes meeting. And I'm matching me now. On 1st May, engineer community Japan interview was Sampa. Now no be a analysis no pay the full scope because I 10 minutes Saturday the anka met na krani aye and I call work me ebe. And no bet much as I interview no. Going into the National Executive Council meeting, you know, na ne atete. Say encrophobia suggestion what they can say. 1. Current NPP electoral college, you know. Na ansem wo hono. And nana maybe my examples of my country in chef my deba kwan yard and say we don't deal with innuendos. Fact. Nana kwa santi achim sauta. Obo ene kwame boatin issues wo ho. Okwa santi achim central a Kofi Ofosun kansa ene ayimadu issues wo ho. Nana okwa asante achim north agogo and the appear could be any executive issue wo. Nana to the extent say oni romonakwa interview on front or say on one MPP executives and an MPP for no do no more campaign. I'm a from independent candidate. No. So there are issues. Now the second issue is current MPP no executive no umumu. At this embassy be kind of correct. MPP members nankasa no. Empanifo no umumu omo executives no. Nana ne abronya mu yi. Any idea so mumu executives no. Near can supporters about supporters on Facebook just mumu executives no. Maybe yes maybe go interview. I will station be a bibu mnasoko. And then I tell say Justin Kudu from General Secretary and Stephen Intimacy say why yes one channel no leadership no MPP for they have no regard for the party. I've given you instances. Yes say party na could take a decision. I may not agree as an analyst say be en station way. Party members almost see Kasa radio so ebi kasa. So they don't have regard for the party leadership too. Now almost say register an MPP for the Twabano. MPs ni been plan for no my girlfriends and family members ne go so my party for Nankasa film. Na na won't be. MPP polling station address so many be of am wo mo to na ho machi. You see. And na almost say the national executive nyama mo ye no the favor about me. And no can Alan take oil. Nana sa bottom down approach. And young people neck na ema meet you. Kennedy was saying when people should draw bosoda. Engineer Kram Nigeria interview I'm referencing to bosoda. Nana, what are the pros and cons of it? Nana, every person avoid it. Ukrainian Nana say, Sa Facebook kuntokwa atiasi in between Kennedy and phone numbers nana in the next 6 months we doom say jano. But when you read the MPP constitution, yeah, elective say executive. Do you have a 4-year mandate? Nana Justin Kodua mo mandate nebe and somewhere middle 2026. Miti omo fencheme. But Nana, this is the pros. MPP to abani via. Nipa no be no over 33 months. Because Nana you 31st January, I did 1st February 2027. 2027 year 1 year, 2028 2 years. Now 9 extra months count, so 24 months plus 9, 33 months. It's an room to do campaign. It's a new boom parliament. Also, let me bomb on the side of the party. Now not that here. Again, seeming unity. Munti me word near Mrs. Simon because na no ko to be unity na ama alan ko ten ho ma asade fragmentation by party nim. Na the third one I say hu ni say tension e be from kakra. And that is to agree. But na me hwe cons na say so ye pros and no cons na cons ne dos na adwen say people ma dwen ma so. Nana executive no omu nyomu ni. Nhyira FM. Bia na sa process we be ni say flag bearer issues be ba ho. And especially when the bookmakers tell us that Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia is likely to win. Because Nana, some people for answer the polling station, the register structure, na OCC no. Nom de koto aba. Obi oni Bawumia be jire bia Bawumia be win. What am I saying so? Nana sa system na nom de koto aba Bawumia 61%. Meboa. So, on your favorite, sa system ne koyi Bawumia na no na te ho a edi koyi the next flag bearer.
Sano Maya and also message Sano because Uti, the Honorable Eugene na they say former appointees in Abitimia to be.
Yeah, Nana, but over 6 months.
Yeah.
Also, what kind of query report and I'm say expand the electoral college. Nana, that be MPP card, MPP for send our card bearing our card. System bear on the basa wa wetu dues. Ebia 1 year, nebia wetu 10 months, Kotwaba. Now what I say? Almost 6 months. You do money say you. July, August, September, October, November, December, January 31st. Almost 7 months.
But some person you meet me.
And I'm saying that logistically, does the MP party or co-opposition 2 months don't mean to workers? Can I say Kennedy by They have logistics to open up the system, give everybody a card. And now Eugene Kano.
Why?
Now party are just 2 months.
No.
2 months upon mu co-opposition no. Omu yansa ba me and Kennedy this beba. And so no met me to uncle for pa my head mama party nika. Do they have the logistics to be able to do this before January 2026 ana? I don't think so. It's an answer system na no mo dey kodia. Obi omu be yini bia issues beba ho. Na nti no said the aboa papom ne Kennedy for no fail to come start complaining no, because they know say the current system seemingly favors Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. Na two another issue beba na say untrust obi. Na or elect leader mawa. Oni ne ye dwuma be ye den. Na den na make sa. Sa NPP executives na no mabo bebre ato. So mbeto obetia wo ma the next election. Now the current executives no and be a leader for the NPP. The question is, will the possible new executives have a good rapport with Nippon no be and Juma to secure 2028 ana? Because because you no and you are elected no yentimi Juma. That is also a possibility that the NPP must analyze. As part of Nana strategy of adopting it, they need to go through that. Now another thing, so they say fragmentation. Nana omet me yiba, omet me Kennedy. But sa process no Nana me sure say tensions na when people must see na be conform until Nana process na fair. Nana so be kam ne ba me akọ me ka say me kire say me research amay ni bibia no. Na lan ala kire material nko she po botom kura na ba me be wi ni. But how they seemingly skewed everything seemingly na netio who's because the political perception no and I choose me words man cause how they skewed how they seemingly e chinchin unsa ne ade bi di ma ba mi ano e ba man for buofu say process na anye fair so nana once I agree so possibly the top down approach na be experimentation so mo ye no nana me sha pros and cons na disadvantages na me hu no do also see advantages no because nana o executives or my instruction na party for including regional chairman ebuso omumuom omo former assembly enya hwea sa party for na kodi ade nanim koyi candidate ma party no so no nko gina ba 2028 na ede oye ne beba so either they talk na no mo na so mo kasa because na kaya JFK ne just nkodi ade no untumi any 15 other regional chairman eko gina fa akon na meboa when there was a clear instruction says sa ade na nyese obi ayi nanim de ye bi. So Nana, it will be hold on the NPP themselves say they will keep to omo principles omo establishment. Nana no be process ne fair. Omo ne fair na no mu biem no obi atimi to bia. Eh good. Nana me last submission on this be come na Japan do can say Nana. Imagine say obi the MP baby 12 years only MP nti so to aba constituency wa enye yie. O to aba police station enye yie. Sa nkrofo na so ndo be ka ho. Na institutional memory wo no de boa party no because na say a party the boys and some the doors do no mutimi ni na aboa na party ni konen na because of time this will be my preliminary observation what na beto aso. All right, Nhyira 104.5 yeah win.
Nana my way for no